Baseball by eslkidsworld.com. My name is Tim. This is my dad, Ben. My dad is my baseball coach. Baseball is my favorite sport. Baseball is a bat and ball game played by two teams. Each team has 9 players. The ball used in baseball is called a baseball. It is usually white and covered with a piece of leather. This is my baseball bat. The bat is used to hit the ball. My bat is made of wood. This is my leather glove. The glove is used to help catch the ball and protect my hand. This is my baseball cap. The cap is used to protect my eyes from the sun. This is my helmet. The helmet is used to protect my head. This is a ballpark. A ballpark is where baseball is played. This is a baseball trophy. A trophy is given to the winner of the game. For more videos, click the like button or subscribe below.